Oh, hey, what's up? Welcome back to the garage. It's a gloomy day outside, so what better perfect day to work on an oil pan. So I'm under here. I'm gonna loosen this up, get this old oil pan off, and then we'll get a new one put on. So let's get to it.
Creeper?
I would love a creeper. Like just a creeper.
Yeah, that kind of creeper.
Like John Waters type of creeper. Let's see. This is what do I know about bouncing? It's gotta be this one. It's gotta be this one. All right. Here's what I want to do. How you doing? I'm gonna get a piece of cardboard, and then we're gonna put all these bolts in there. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. cam. It looks pretty good. There's no signs of crazy wear or anything. They didn't put silicone there or there, which could be why it had an oil leak there before. But yeah, we'll get this surface cleaned up real good, get some silicone on there, and I think we'll be good to go. Dude, you can get it, dude.
Old oil pan. New oil pan. Odd doing silicone things.
It's very scientific under here. Alright, so Mona got the gasket area cleaned really well. I just put some silicone on the spots you're supposed to put silicone, and we're going to try these little pegs that hold the oil filter and the gasket. Can you hand me the gasket, please? These are supposed to... I've never used one of these before. There we go. Well, that's kind of handy. Okay. That works pretty good. Now let's see if the oil pan will go up there. So I made this cool little board that all my bolts will go back in. So I'm going to start with 2 because number 1 is these blue guys. Driving me crazy. Reporting here from the upside down with a torque wrench. I'm torquing oil pan bolts that never end, and we're gonna get these torqued, and then maybe we'll do some more. I don't know. I'm tired of laying down on the ground, to be honest. I don't want to lift. Alright, so we got the oil pan in there. We get to cross that off the list for Moab Mayhem. So just cross that off. We still got to do the front U-joints and all this laundry list of stuff to do. But the good thing is we're getting parts. We got the rockers, we got the spare tire, we got the sway bar bushings, so we should have almost everything we need to finish up this project. I'm a little pooped. The oil pan kicked my butt today. That's pretty much how it went. We had one hole on the oil pan that just would not get the screw, and so I had to take all the bolts out and get that one started, and then everything fit after that. So, but new oil pan's in. We're going to put new oil filter. I have to get an oil pressure switch. We're waiting on that. That's the only part we're waiting on. But we should be able to put some oil in Steve here in the next couple days and fire him up. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to go get some dinner. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave me a comment. But thanks for watching. I'm going to go take a break and watch some TV. See ya.